Well, I've been in this building 50 years. They've moved me around a little bit.
History on the walls of legendary investor Warren Buffett's office.
I formed my first partnership in May of 1956, so this was a year-end balance sheet, which I typed myself. In fact, you'll probably find a few typos in it. And these are the partners I had at the time, and this was my father-in-law. That was my roommate in college. That was his mother. That's my Aunt Alice. That's my sister Doris, and that's her husband Truman, and that was the gang. Yeah. If they kept a $10,000 investment, and then when I liquidated the partnership, reinvested that in Berkshire Hathaway, they would now have about $500 million. I did very well with small amounts of money back in 1964. When a panic happens with a really good company, I like to buy.
Buffett's MO for investing. This 1901 New York Times article reminds him daily of an important lesson.
We never get out on a limb run. We always have lots of money. We never borrow a lot of money. First campaign I got really active in was when I was 10 years old in 1940, and Wilkie was running against Roosevelt. My dad thought that if Roosevelt got elected, that there'd never be another election.
A vocal Republican in his earlier years, Buffett now leans left and is a big Obama supporter.
We were talking about the economy, and I brought along some figures that I thought would be of interest to him. That was when I got the Presidential Medal of Freedom.
But he's never had political ambitions like his father.
That's my dad's campaign picture when he was 39 years old, running for Congress the first time in 1942. This is my dad's desk. This sat on his desk when I was a kid, when I was 10 years old, and I always admired it.
This is my favorite thing in your office. I need one of these. The too hard box.
Right. There's a lot of things that belong in there. The real problem is if they belong in there and I don't realize it.
And then there are the fun things, like the model Mars rover given to him by students at Caltech.
That beats getting a T-shirt.
And the mock Sports Illustrated cover.
I think if they ever bring me out, it'll be as Waterboy.
No fancy flat screen TV, just an old tube.
No computer.
That means no email, perhaps a secret to Buffett's success. Poppy Harlow, CNN, Omaha, Nebraska.